Okay, friends, today we're taking three chords, A major 7th, and D major 7th, and see how they can turn into a sweet, simple solo flat picking tune. Nothing fancy here, I promise. I'm going to show you how to play those three chords in different spots on the neckboard, and each one has its own color, and with a couple of connecting lines you'll have a complete song that you can start playing right away today. And if you need the tablature for this study, stick around and I'll tell you how to get it. Alright, so A major 7th and D major 7th. So this is my A chord, right? First position, open position. Sometimes I use my index finger, and sometimes I use three fingers like this. I play the A note with my index finger and then E and C sharp. Okay, so that's the A chord, and now A major 7th is simply that. You see, all you need to do is you need to move that index down to the first fret. So A becomes a G sharp, and that's a very sweet sound. And then we have D major 7th. D major 7th is just one little bar on the top three strings, you see? And this is my regular D, and again that D note needs to become a C sharp. And that's D major 7th, and I love major 7th chords, and I think they sound so cool, and this is, you know, one of those chords you want to play when you want to impress your friends. So yeah, let's put them together like this. Simple rhythm. I'm playing an A chord, an A major 7th, and then D major 7th. Now I want to play that simple phrase. See, really simple. B, A, F sharp, D, E. Okay, now let's go to the next position. So instead of playing A here, we can play the A chord here, 5th position. So this is my index on the 2nd string, and then middle finger on the 3rd, ring finger on the 4th, and this is open and open, and that's my A chord. Now A major 7th, again I need to lower that A note down to G sharp. So that's my sweet sounding A major 7th, and looks like an A minor, right? Played at the 5th fret. And then D major 7th becomes this, and this one looks like a D minor played up at the 5th fret. So this is a completely different sound, right? Different color. And now we need the phrase to connect. And we can play something like this. You see, I play, okay, A, B, A, slide up, D and C sharp. This is the fingering, index, ring finger, index, slide with your ring finger and middle finger, and from there you build your A major triad. That's sweet. And now let's go to the last set of chords and fingerings. Now I want to play the A chord up here. Looks like a D, right? And this is fret number 9. And okay, now you already know that if this is major 7th, D major 7th, so this is A, and this is A major 7th. Okay, need to be careful here. I don't want to touch and play the 4th string. And then for my D major 7th, I will need to go like this. 4 strings, open D, and then this is fret number 9, 1st string, index, 2nd string, and 3rd string. Nice, sweet sound. So right now we have 3 fingerings for the D major 7th. And around that position we can play a connecting line, and again something like this. Okay. And this is pretty easy. Right now I can jump from the 5th position right there. This is hand in 9th position. And after right after that phrase, I play my A major 7th, and D major 7th, and then I repeat the same phrase, and I move down to the middle position. And then we can play one more time the same phrase, 1 octave lower, open E, C sharp, A, B, A, and we can play for the last time the A major 7th and D major 7th. So let me put this all together. It's nice. We always start with that. We start each phrase with that open A string. That way we can move the hand to the next set of fingerings. Like here. Let me see. And right after that, I play the open A, and then I strum. Okay, so by the way, if you need the tablature for this, just comment major 7th, and I will send you the link. And you see, this is a good way to spice up your flat picking. You don't need hard licks. With just some knowledge of the different options that you have when you have 3 simple chords like this, and you can embellish your playing, and you can navigate the fretboard, and each one has its color again, and around each position you can find different phrases, right? So yeah, have fun with this. And if you want to have more lessons like this, you can join my True Fire channel, instructional channel. It's called Flatpicking Experience. You can find the link in the description, and yeah, and there you will find hundreds of video lessons and we talk about flat picking, solo flat picking, and bluegrass too. So yeah, I hope to see you there, and in the meantime, enjoy this simple song, and yeah, give this video a like, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.